Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start unit number 1, the early humans. Students, in this unit we will read about the lifestyle of the early people. What did they eat, where did they live, what did they wear, and how did they make development. We will read all about their lives. Unit number 1, the early humans. Millions of years ago, humans lived on the earth had no homes to live in. They lived in caves or forests. Forests were full of wild animals like lions, tigers, bears, elephants, and monkeys. Students, millions of years ago, when humans came to the world, there were no homes to live. There were forests everywhere, so they lived in forests and caves with wild animals. And at that time, there were too many animals in the forest. Forests were full of wild animals. The humans had no clothes. They covered their body with leaves and barks of trees. As the time passed, humans learned to use the dried skin of the hunted wild animals to cover their body and to protect them from heat and cold. Students, as we know, humans had no proper place to live. They didn't even have clothes to wear. So they used leaves to cover their bodies. But after some time, they started to use the dried skin of hunted wild animals to cover their bodies. There were no crops in those days. The early man ate wild fruits and roots of the plants. He hunted the wild animals, killed them, and ate flesh raw. He didn't even know how to cook. Students, early humans didn't know how to grow crops or how to cook food, so they only ate wild fruits, roots, and raw meat of wild animals. With the passage of time, the early men learned to light fire. It happened so probably when someone rubbed two stones very fast, sparks came out which could burn dry grass or dry leaves. This was indeed a great invention of the early man which changed his life. He used the fire to cook his food. He began to roast the killed wild animals on the fire. This roasted food tasted better. Fire could keep him warm. Students, when early man learned to light his fire, this invention changed his life. They used fire for many purposes. They started to roast their food. They used fire to keep themselves warm and to protect themselves from wild animals. With the passage of time, the man tamed some wild animals like horses, dogs, sheep, goats, and cows. He made a great use of these trained animals. Students, when early humans learned to train animals, they used them to carry loads, to travel on them, and to get dairy products and other benefits from them. Later on, he learned to melt metals such as copper and iron. From the molten metals, they made some useful tools and weapons like iron axe, spear, sickle, arrow and bow, hammer and club. He used these weapons to hunt the animals or fight against enemies. Students, they learned to melt metals and made great use of these melted metals to make tools and weapons. By and by, he learned how to grow food. He started sowing the seed of the plant which he liked for food. Thus, he began his life as a farmer. He migrated from place to place in search of food. He settled at one place and began to build houses. Students, with the time, the men learned to grow crops and settle at one place, but before that, they wandered from place to place in search of food. With the passage of time, the early men learned painting and writing. Indeed, this was also a great invention of the early man. Now he could read and write. He became a civilized person. Agriculture houses and industries were developed. Villages, towns, and cities came into being. People began to live together as families in societies. They built very strong and great houses where they could live a safe life. Student, in this age, men become educated and well mannered. They made societies and lived together as families. They form governments which set rules and laws for the welfare of the people. So we can say that it took the man millions of years to reach the present stage of development and civilization. Students, in the last, they make governments by elected group of peoples who make laws and rules for the well-being of everyone living in the society. And men make all these progress and development in millions of years. Men achieve this development in millions of years. Students, I hope you understood all about the lifestyle of early people. Now it's time to learn new and some difficult words. Difficult words: civilized, civilized; weapons, weapons; sickle, sickle; spear, spear; search, search; government, government; flesh, flesh; millions, millions. Civilized, weapon, sickle, spear, search, government, flesh, millions. Okay student, now it's time to answer some questions about the early humans. Question number 1. Where did the early men live? They lived in caves and forests. Where did the early men live? They lived in caves and forests. Question number 2. How did the early men cover their body? They covered their body with leaves and barks of trees. How did the early men cover their body? They covered their bodies with leaves and barks of trees. Question number 1. What did the early people use as their food? They used wild fruits, roots, and raw flesh of wild animals as their food. What did the early people use as their food? They used wild fruits, roots, and raw flesh of wild animals as their food. Question number 4. Which animals did the early men tame? The early men tamed some wild animals like horses, dogs, sheep, goats, and cows. Which animals did the early men tame? The early men tamed some wild animals like horses, dogs, sheep, goats, and cows. Question number 5. Name the tools and weapons which the early people used. They used spear, sickle, hammer, club, iron axe, arrow, and bow. Name the tools and weapons which the early people used. They used spear, sickle, hammer, club, iron axe, arrow, and bow. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.